Have you ever wondered what lurks beneath the surface of the earth in the dark, unseen world of the underground? It's a realm teeming with life, where every crack and crevice could be a home to a myriad of creatures. This world, however, is not for the faint of heart. It's a place where the sun doesn't shine, where food is scarce, and where conditions remain constant, with unvarying temperatures and humidity levels. In this relentless and unforgiving environment, the inhabitants face a multitude of challenges. The absence of light renders vision almost useless, and the limited supply of food makes survival a constant struggle. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, life thrives here. From the smallest insect to the burliest mole, each creature has found a way to not only survive, but to excel in this subterranean world. The question is, how do these creatures survive and thrive in such an environment? The answer lies in their remarkable sensory adaptations. Consider the humble mole, an animal that spends most of its life beneath the Earth's surface. In this hidden world, it has evolved fascinating sensory adaptations that enable it to thrive. The mole's enlarged forelimbs are not just for digging tunnels through the soil. They also serve as sensitive touch detectors, helping the mole navigate its complex subterranean highways. These robust limbs can even detect the smallest vibrations in the earth, alerting the mole to potential predators or prey nearby. But the mole's sensory prowess doesn't end there. Its snout is a remarkable sensory organ. Covered in tiny sensitive hairs, it allows the mole to detect its prey in the soil, often worms or insects, even in complete darkness. The mole's eyesight, however, is rather poor. But in the darkness of the underground, where light is scarce, eyesight is less crucial than a keen sense of touch. The mole, with its specialized sense of touch, is a perfect example of how life adapts to the challenging conditions of the underground. Another fascinating creature of the underground is the earthworm. Despite being eyeless, these humble invertebrates are not completely in the dark. They can sense light intensity through their skin, enabling them to distinguish between day and night, and to burrow deeper into the soil when the sunlight is too strong. But that's not all. Earthworms also have a keen sense of their surroundings through the detection of vibrations in the soil. This unique ability helps them avoid potential predators and navigate their way through the underground maze. Perhaps the most remarkable adaptation of the earthworm, however, is its ability to regenerate. If an earthworm is injured, it can grow back certain parts of its body, a testament to its incredible resilience. Can you imagine a world where you feel light, detect movements, and heal yourself all without traditional senses? The earthworm, though small, is a sensory powerhouse, perfectly adapted for its subterranean lifestyle. In the watery caves beneath the Earth's surface lives a creature that has taken sensory adaptation to a whole new level: the blind cavefish. This fascinating species has evolved in such a way that it no longer has eyes or pigmentation. It's a perfect example of the principle, use it or lose it, in evolution. Why maintain eyes when there's no light to see? Yet the blind cavefish is far from helpless. In the absence of sight, it has developed an incredibly heightened sense of touch. Running along the sides of its body are lateral lines, a system of sense organs that detect water movements and pressure changes. These lateral lines are so sensitive that they can perceive the slightest disturbances in the surrounding water. Moreover, the blind cavefish has an uncanny ability to sense electrical fields. This allows them to navigate with precision and locate food in the pitch-black environment they call home. The blind cavefish, with its extraordinary sensory adaptations, truly shows how life finds a way even in the darkest corners of our planet. From the mole's sensitive snout to the earthworm's light-sensing skin and the blind cavefish's electrical field detection, the world of the underground is teeming with extraordinary sensory adaptations. Our journey has taken us deep into the soil, exploring the fascinating world of these creatures and their unique abilities. We've seen how the mole, with its highly developed sense of touch, navigates the underground maze, using its snout as a sophisticated sensor. We've delved into the life of the earthworm, whose entire skin is a giant light sensor, enabling it to avoid predators and harsh environmental conditions. And we've swum with the blind cave fish, which uses electrical fields to detect its surroundings and find food in the pitch-black waters of underground caves. These adaptations are more than just fascinating quirks. They're essential tools for survival in the challenging conditions of the underground. These incredible creatures remind us of the infinite possibilities of life and the power of adaptation. Beneath our feet, in the hidden world of the underground, life thrives in the most unexpected ways.